Good morning from Turtle Pies Plus. Today we have a Ford Ranger, stock reference number 5874. This sheet ran from the 12th of 2006 to the 6th of 2011. It has a WLAT 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual rear wheel drive transmission. Here we have our WLAT 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left front wheel, steel. 15 inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear wheel, steel. 15 inch rim, good tyre. Right rear wheel, steel, 15 inch rim, good tyre. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, steel, 15 inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel.